Every time you open a door or twist a wrench, you're using torque. Torque is the force that makes things rotate. And it's everywhere in engineering. Picture yourself loosening a bolt. Your fingers can grip it, but it's too hard to loosen, so you use a wrench, a tool that features a handle that extends further away from the bolt. You give it a twist, and the bolt loosens with ease. That twisting power is torque. Engineers define torque with a simple equation. Torque equals force times distance from the pivot. If you need more torque, just push harder, right? But if you can't push harder, then more distance will do the trick. Door handles are placed further from the hinge so you can open a door with minimal effort. Car engines generate torque to make the wheels spin. The engine applies a twisting force to the crankshaft, which turns the transmission and axles and finally spins the tires against the road. More torque means the car can accelerate faster and haul heavier loads. Torque is the invisible twist powering the world around you. From tools to transportation, it's the reason things spin, turn, and move. Thanks for watching. If you have an idea for a future breakdown or have a question, let us know in the comments. We'll feature your topic in an upcoming video. Until next time,